Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Optum Bank to HSA investment options step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Optum Bank account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account section located in the main menu. Look for the Health Savings Account option and click on it. You will see an overview of your HSA balance and transactions. Now, locate the Investment Options link or tab within this section. Click on the Investment Options link to access available investment choices. Review the list of investment options that Optum Bank provides. Select the type of investment you want to pursue, such as mutual funds or ETFs. Click on your chosen investment option for more details. You will find information on performance, risk, and fees associated with each option. Once you have made your choice, click on the Invest Now button. You may need to specify the amount you want to invest. Enter the investment amount in the designated field. Confirm your selection to proceed with the investment. Review any required terms and conditions before finalizing your investment. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the investment is successfully processed. To track your investment, return to the Investment Options section. Here, you can monitor performance and adjust your portfolio as needed. That concludes the process of connecting your Optum Bank to HSA investment options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.